Attention! Spell well, India contestants. Prepare to enhance your exam performance with confidence. Close your eyes and listen to our affirmation audio to empower your subconscious mind for success in the upcoming contest. I am open to new experiences and making new friends. I am confident in expressing myself. I enjoy learning English and expanding my language skills. English language opens doors to endless opportunities for me. I am becoming better at learning new words every day. My vocabulary is growing stronger with each word I learn. I take pride in spelling words correctly. I pay attention to detail and ensure my spellings are accurate. I am skilled at identifying and understanding homophones. I enjoy solving riddles and matching homophones correctly. I speak with clarity and confidence. I am improving my pronunciation with each practice session. I am creative in forming new words from given letters. I enjoy the challenge of word formation exercises. I am calm, focused, and centered. I am at peace with myself and my surroundings. I have a sharp memory and can recall spellings easily. I trust my instincts when choosing the correct spelling. I am skilled at unscrambling words and finding the right order. I enjoy the challenge of solving jumbled words. I have a good understanding of proverbs and their meanings. I pay attention to details and complete spellings accurately. I am well prepared for tests and assessments. I approach tests with confidence and a positive mindset.